Hello, my dear friends. Today we're decluttering and we're going to de-junk. I want you to recognize the junk in your clutter. Recognize it. A lot of times we'll say, oh, you know what? I just need to sew that. Oh, I just need to glue that. Oh, I just need to see if my husband will fix that. Well, how many years has it been sitting in your pile? How many months or years has it been sitting in your pile? You're probably not going to fix it, whatever it is. You might sew it if you're a seamstress and you can sit down and you get it done within a week. But if you let it go for months and months, you're probably not going to sew it. If it's trash, obvious trash, sometimes we save trash. Why are we saving trash? De-junk your spot. So remember, your spot is little. It's not big. It takes 15 minutes. Right now we're in, as you're watching this, zone 3. So let's say that it's underneath your sink in the kitchen. No, we're in zone 3. Underneath your sink in the bathroom, the hall bathroom. And you open it up and you've got an electric curling, what is that called? Hot curlers. You've got hot curlers under there. You've got shampoo for curly hair when you were doing the curly girl method, and all the accoutrements that go with that, a diffuser and gel and all that stuff. You've got samples of shampoo. I know I've talked to you about this before, but you've got all this junk under there. Throw it away. If you're not using it, throw it away. Don't look for somebody to give it to. Nobody wants your half-used stuff. Put it in the garbage bag and throw it away. De-junk. Okay, that's it for today. Have a great day.